Maladaptive neuroplasticity, that's what it's called, when it moves out to the entire brain.
Okay, follow my fingers to rehearse what it's okay to do. Ready? It's okay to be.
This is going to be real fast. You going to be ready? Okay. Yeah, sit up in the chair a little bit. Breath, hard. Breath, sleep.
It's amazing. Some people some patients don't even know what surgery they're having.
It's really, really important to be really confident.
Okay, on stage, I'm on 1, 2, 3, eyes open, look at me, and sleep, deeper, all the way down, good.
3, eyes open. Here you go again. Now you're ready, what are you doing?
So I said to myself, I've got to make this work.
We need better awareness, don't we? We need faster diagnosis.
So we don't treat the symptom, we always look for a cause.
Shake. Do this. Now do what I do. You do this. So what is street hypnosis? So